Another thing, it wasn't hot. It was just hot.
Mine was not good. You also said
It wasn't that hot. Like I really think they just took it out of the bag and put it,
oh yeah.
and then they just like put it in.
Oh, that's neat.
So they just took it out of the thing and just took it out of like a frozen and just put it in the frying pan. It doesn't taste like. I mean, it's good, but it's obvious like the type of chicken it is. It's not. It's not. Look at the chicken. Look.
Oh, it's shredded.
Yeah.
It's shredded. They don't have the kind of margarita Calissa one. He don't know how to make it.
So why you order it?
I didn't order it. He don't know how to make it. So I gotta have different kind of margarita.
I thought cheese too. Taquitos don't have cheese. Why they put cheese on taquitos?
Look at all this cheese here.
It's too much cheese. It's like I don't have Mexican food. There's no Mexicans in the kitchen cooking it.
That when we were in Mexico and we were walking and them trucks, them food thing on the side of the road.
And the hustle, I
with
like
that meat
that.
and the
Every
thing.
all of them to be hustle.
Who is calling me? Mark McFarland Spencer. That they don't have that thing open and open.
Or the food. So what do you think? It opens up?